Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th standard maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Without your involvement, you can't succeed, and with your involvement, you can't fail, said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's start the session. Example 1.24, find x if g of f of x equal to f of g of x given f of x equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 3. So here given us f of x that is equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 3, and also here the condition is given, that is g of f of x equal to f of g of x. So both are equal, like that they given. We want to find the x. So from this condition we have to use, then we want to find the x. So first of all I have take the right hand side and left hand side here we have. So left hand side, that is left hand side given is g of f of x. So here we want to find three terms. At a time we can use the terms, or otherwise we can find first of all two terms and we have to substitute in the function. So that is, if you write as a two function means g of f of x, that is we want to write g of f of x. So first of all we want find the f of x and we want to substitute in the g also. So first of all you have to find the f of x. So we can write as f of x. So that means here f of x is given as 3x plus 1. So f of 3x plus 1. Again the function is there. So f is function. So we want to substitute in the x place. We have to 3x plus 1. So in given question 3x plus 1. So in place of x we want to substitute 3x plus 1. So that means 3 into 3x plus 1 plus 1. Now we want to multiple. 3 3s are 9x plus 3 plus 1. We can add because both are constant. So 9x plus 4. This is f of x. But in given is what? G of f of x. So we can substitute in this one. So g of f of x. So that is equal to, in place of this we want to substitute this one. So g of 9x plus 4. Here the function is g. So that means here the given function is g of x equal to x plus 3. So in place of x we want to substitute 9x plus 4. So here we can substitute, that is 9x plus 4 plus 3. Here we can add, that is 9x plus 7. This is the function g of f of x. So left hand side we find. Now we want to find the right hand side. So right hand side that is given as f of g of x. So we can take as two terms. So f of g of x equal to, we can write as f of g of x. So now we want to find the inside the bracket, that is g of x. So g of x is written as g of x. So g of x in place we can substitute, that is x plus 3. Here the function is g, so we can again use the g of x function. So g of x equal to x plus 3. In place of x we want to substitute x plus 3. So that means x plus 3 plus, here we have a 3. So we can add, so 3 plus 3, 6. This is g of x. Now we can substitute in this term, that is f of g of x. So that means f of, here in place of g of x, that is x plus 6. So here the function is f. So what is the function f of x? So f of x equal to 3x plus 1. So in place of x we want to substitute x plus 6. So 3 into x plus 6 plus 1. So now we can multiple. So 3 into x, 3x plus 6 3s are 18 plus 1. So we can write as 3x plus 19. This is f of g of x. So we want to find the x. So in condition they given us what? Both are equal. So both the identity is equal. That means what? Given us g of f of x equal to 9x plus 7 and f of g of x equal to 3x plus 19. So both are equal. So both identities, that is equal means, so g of f of x equal to f of g of x. So this one is given condition. So now we can substitute this one. So that is what? 9x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 19. So x terms are taken in the left hand side and constants are taken in the right hand side. So plus 3x, it will become this side, means minus 3x. So 9x minus 3x, that is equal to plus 7, it will be go that side, means minus 7. So 19 minus 7. So here we want to subtract. So both are same variable, that is x variable, so you can subtract. So 9 minus 3, we get 6x. So 6x equal to, here if you subtract means 19 minus 7. If you subtract means we get 12. So x equal to, this is in the multiple, 6 into x, into it will become this side, means divide. So 12 divided by 6. So here we can cancel within the same table, that is 6 table. So 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. So x equal to 2. Again I have repeat you. இங்கே உங்களுக்கு வந்து கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, தட் இஸ் எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் கிவன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென் ஆல்சோ ஜி ஆஃப் எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு எஃப் ஆஃப் ஜி ஆஃப் எக்ஸ். ஸோ நமக்கு அந்த ஈக்குவல் கண்டிஷனுக்கான வேல்யூ நமக்கு தெரியணும். பை யூஸிங் த காம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் 3 ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஸோ வி கேன் சால்வ். இங்கே சால்வ் பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்கோம், ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட் அண்ட் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைட். both the values நமக்கு கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we have to equal, because the condition is given as the equal, the two quantities are equal. so ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கனால substitute பண்றோம். so we can taken as the x variable as one side, constant as another side. so ஏன்னா அப்பதான் நம்மளால subtract பண்ணும்போது ஈஸியா இருக்கும். so அதனால same variable நம்ம like terms தனித்தனியா பிரிச்சுக்கிறோம். then we have subtract and divide, we get the answer, that is x equal to 2. Dear students, now take your book and see the topic, that is identifying the graph of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions. So from the using the graph, we have to provide visualization of curves and functions. எப்படி நம்ம curve வச்சோ இல்லை ஒரு graph வச்சு we have to say that is it is a function or not, like that. so for the first one is linear function. so linear function means that is the degree is 1. அதாவது x பவர்ல எதுவுமே இல்லாம இருக்கிறதா, that is x. so what is that? x power, there is no any term, that is means what? linear function. x power 1 is considered as linear. so from this, here the one mark is there, that is a function f from r to r defined by f of x equal to mx plus c, m not equal to 0 is called a linear function. so already I have said this like function mx plus c, already you have seen in the graph y equal to mx plus c, like that. here we have if you have means that is linear function. so it represent, this linear function is represent a straight line in the graph. so ஒரு graphல linear function இருக்கு அப்படினாவே அந்த graph எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினா straight line. so here totally we have a 2 one words, that is one definition also is there about linear function, and also for the one type is represent as a straight line. see the function and graph. here the identity function. what is that identity function? Identity function means if you have 1 means same, 2 like that we have the identity. so here we have the identity from f from r to r defined by f of x equal to x. So if you substitute means we get the value like that. What is that? That is in straight line. Likewise, additive inverse function. So additive inverse means addition means if you have the inverse process subtraction. So plus 1 அப்படின்னா அதோட ஆப்போசிட் இன்வர்ஸ் அப்படின்னா -1. ஸோ அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுனால தான் அது ப்ளஸ் மைனஸாக மாறி இருக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் வி ஹாவ் the -x. So if you have the graph means like this process. So f of x equal to -x is represent. This is one type. Then next type is modulus or absolute value function. So modulus means we have the two lines are there. So here this is the modulus. Two line is represent as modulus. So this you have to read as mod x. So we can read as mod x. So here the function is f from R to R. Here closed surface, that is this bracket is closed bracket. This one is open bracket because infinity is given up to that what we didn't know. So we have to use that open bracket. 0 is starting number, that is closed. Before numbers கண்டிப்பா வராது. So negative numbers இருக்காது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரே காரணத்துக்காக தான் 0 to எது வரைக்கும் till end உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்குதோ அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம போடுவோம். ஸோ 0, -a infinity. ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூ இருக்கிறதுனால closed open defined by f of x equal to mod x. ஸோ இந்த mod x அப்படிங்கிறது எதனால சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா it will represent as positive and also negative. So positive x இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா x greater than or equal to 0, minus x அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா less than 0. So if it is apply means we have get a graph like this. So நம்ம substitute பண்ணி ஒரு வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த x positive lines எல்லாம் இந்த சைட்லையும், அதாவது உங்களோட ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட், அண்ட் நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைட்லாம் இருக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் two types. Here we have two names, that is what modulus function, or otherwise we can say absolute valued function. Here we have one note is there, that is modulus function is not a linear function, but it is composed of two linear function, that is x and minus x. So கண்டிப்பா modulus function என்னன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம், linear function சொல்ல மாட்டோம். But எப்படி நம்ம composition of two functions சொல்றோமோ, here also we have a composition of two linear functions, that is x and minus x. So another one also, here we have a linear function or always one-to-one function, and has the application is in cryptography as well as in several branches of science and technology. So இது நிறைய விஷயங்கள் மூலமா, science and technology மூலமா we can prove that is what always the linear function is one-to-one function. Then next one is quadratic function. So quadratic function means what? That is we can say as quadratic expression, quadratic equation. That means the degree is 2. For the linear equation, degree is 1. For the quadratic expression, that we have the degree is 2. So here we can say that a function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, a is not equal to 0, is called a quadratic function. So here that function equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. It will be represented as quadratic function. See some example. If you have a quadratic function means if you substitute the value means we get the graph as a parabola. This name is parabola. In the type pair on the parabola. So here we can say that f from R to R defined by f of x equal to x squared. If you substitute the value x squared, that means if you substitute 0, if you get means what? 0. 1 if you substitute means 1. 2 substitute means we get 4. If you square means we get the value as positive or negative. So here we have up to what value? 0, infinity. 10 values or 20 values, what we have do like that. If you substitute means we get the parabola. Then same condition for the negative value, that is minus x squared. If you substitute means what we get? Minus infinity to 0. Up to that alone we get. Positive side ku kandipa pokadu, because here the function f of x is minus. So positive side, there is no positive side. So inge positive side la close பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, negative side la open பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. இங்க positive side la close பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, சாரி பாசிட்டிவ் சைட்லேயே 0 வரைக்கும் உள்ளது க்ளோஸில் இருக்கும், நெகட்டிவ் இருக்காது. தென் பாசிட்டிவ் சைடில் இன்ஃபினிட்டி வரைக்கும் ஓப்பனில் இருக்கும். ஸோ லைக் தட் இஃப் யூ கெட் மீன்ஸ் திஸ் இஸ் த பேரபோலா. இந்த கிராஃபை நம்ம வந்து நம்மளோட எக்ஸசைஸில் பார்ப்போம். ஃபார் your graph that is what in 10th standard we have the graph that is in the parabola shape, and also we can use the straight line also. Here we have the next one is cubic function. So cubic means already here we have a title cubic, that means 3. Cube means 3. So here the degree is 3. So what are the degrees? Ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d. A is not equal to 0 is called a cubic function. cubic functionல நம்ம substitute பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா the graph must be ஒரு curve S மாதிரி இருக்கும். So this type graph we get. Then reciprocal function. If you have the reciprocal means what is that? A function f from r to 0 to r defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is called a reciprocal function. So இப்படி இருக்கிற type reciprocal function உன்னோட equation இருக்கு அப்படின்னா we get the graph like this zigzag graph. So zigzagல ரெண்டு பக்கமுமே ஒரு curve இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Suppose if you have a constant function. So constant function இருக்கு. Constant என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? வெறும் numbers மட்டும். f of x equal to 0, f of x equal to 4, f of x equal to 5. Like that if you given means we get the graph like that. Same value. So f of x is equal to c like that they given. So the constant function definition is a function f from r to r defined by f of x equal to c for all x belongs to r is called a constant function. So if someone didn't buy the book means I send the pic also from your book and you have to write in the CW. Exercise 1.5 7th question. If f from r to r and g from r to r are defined by f of x equal to x power 5 and g of x equal to x power 4, then check if f comma g are 1 to 1 and f of g is 1 to 1. So here first of all the given is what? f from r to r. So here the function f of x is given as defined by x power 5 and g also is given. So r to r, that is the function is defined. G of x equal to x power 4. Here we want to check that is what? F is 1 to 1, g is 1 to 1 and also f of g is 1 to 1. Here we want to prove these are things. So first of all 1 to 1 function means we can know that we can use the arrow diagram and check. Here what are the arrow diagram means we have to know the set, that is a set and b set. If you given means we find easily, or otherwise if it is given f of x g of x means already we know that is what? F of x equal to f of y. If you assume that means we find x equal to y. If you get this value means this right. So first of all we want to check f of x. So here the f of x is f of x equal to x power 5. So here we want to assume that, let us assume that f of x equal to f of y. So here we can take f of x equal to f of y. So in place of x we want to substitute y for the f of y. For the f of x already we know that. So here we want to substitute x. F of x is x power 5 equal to, here f of y is given, in place of x we want to substitute y. So y power 5. So already we know that x equal to y means we get the answer correct, that is it is 1 to 1. Here the degree is given x power 5 y power 5. Here one statement is given as the power la if you have odd numbers means that is 1 to 1 function, it is considered as 1 to 1. Suppose even number means that is not a 1 to 1 function. What is that odd number, even number? So we know that odd number means what are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So these are the difference. So 1, 3, 5. If you multiple with the 2 means that is even number. Other than 2 multiples of 2, we get odd numbers. So here 5 is considered as what? Odd number. So kandipa if you substitute means 1 ன்னு நம்ம substitute பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா 1 power 5 equal to 1 power 5, we get what? Same 1. So this is I have proved that. To prove this is a one type of model alone. Suppose x equal to 1 if I take and also y equal to 1 if I take means what? We get 1 power 5 equal to 1 power 5. So we get what? Same 1, because we know that 1 power 100 also we get same 1. So suppose if you substitute minus 1. So for the value minus 1 means if you substitute x equal to minus 1, if you substitute means what you get? Minus 1 power 5. Here also what? Minus 1 power 5. So minus 1 equal to, because here multiple 5 times. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So we want to calculate minus into minus plus. So here also minus into minus plus. So plus into plus plus. Plus into minus minus. So minus 1. So minus 1 க்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? Minus 1. So for this we can use a arrow diagram means 1 minus 1 if you substitute means what? Different. That is what? ஒரு distinct elements we have the distinct images. So ஒரு image தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. இப்படி கிடைக்கிறதுனால தான் சொல்கிறோம் odd numbers இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக it is 1 to 1. Suppose if you have a even number means that is what? Not a 1 to 1. This is ஒரு just உனக்கு prove பண்ணி காட்டினதா. This is example. If you want means you have to write in the note, or otherwise no need. So here we find what? X power 5 equal to y power 5. So 5 is a odd number. So what? F is 1 to 1. F is 1 to 1 function. Likewise, we want to prove G also. So here the G function is what they given? G of x equal to x power 4. So let us assume that what? Assume that here G of x equal to G of y, like that we want to take and we want to substitute here. So in place of G of x we want to substitute x power 4 equal to G of y means that is what? Y power 4. So 4 is considered as what? Odd number or even number? Yes, it is a even number. So we can write straightly. If you want any proof means you can do by yourself. If you substitute means we get what? Same procedure. If you substitute 1 means 1 power 4, 1 power 4 we get what? 1 equal to 1. So if you have minus 1 power 4 minus 1 power 4, if you substitute means we get what? Substitute means we get same 1 தான் கிடைக்கும். For minus 1 also we get what? Same 1. So if you arrow diagram means 1 minus 1 if you substitute means for both values get the same distinct images. So if you get same distinct element means it is not a 1 to 1 function. So here what you have say, that is G is not a 1 to 1 function. So likewise we can solve for the f of G also. So for f of G we want to find the f of G. So here we want to prove, check f of G is 1 to 1. So we can write as f of G of x. So for the value f of G find alone we have to substitute. So f of G of x is that is x power 4. Here the function is f. So here the given f of x is that is what? X power 5. So in place of x we want to substitute x power 5. So that means we get what? X power 5 the whole power 4. So this is one identity formula, that is what means a power m whole power n if you given means that is a power m into n. பவரில் 2 வாட்டி பவர் வந்துச்சுன்னா we can multiple the powers. So 5 4s are 20. So x power 20. So f of g is x power 20. Now we want to check what? F of g is 1 to 1 function. Likewise same procedure. Let us assume that f of g of x and another one is f of g of y. So in place of x we have taken as y. So now we can substitute in this place. So x power 20 equal to y power 20. So 20 is even or odd number? Yes, it is a even number. So if it is even number means, so we can write as f of g is not a 1-to-1. This eighth question as a homework. That is what the given I have explained, and you have to do it by yourself. I have checked in the teachment through live session. Dear students, so eighth question is, consider the function f of x, g of x and h of x is given below. Show that f of g of h equal to f of g of h. Here we want to find the composition of three function should be equal. So if you find equal means that is equal or otherwise not equal. So for in each case here the given is three questions. First question is f of x equal to x minus 1, g of x equal to 3x plus 1 and h of x equal to x squared. Second subdivision, f of x equal to x squared, g of x equal to 2x and h of x equal to x plus 4. Third one is f of x equal to x minus 4, g of x equal to x squared and h of x equal to 3x minus 5. So here now move on to the ninth question. You can do it by yourself. If you have any doubt means you have to ask in the live session. So now the ninth question is, let f equal to set of minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9 be a linear function from z into z. So find f of x. So here the given is what? The function f is given. So f equal to set of minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1 and 2, minus 9 is given. So be a linear function. Already I have said for linear function means the degree is what? 1. So here we want to find the f of x. Already we know that f of x is given linear function for mx plus c. In place of m and c we can use any alphabets. So here we know the alphabets, that is a, b alone. So here we can take as f of x equal to ax plus b. If I take means we want to solve the from the paired set of ordered pairs. So here the ordered pair is what? First one ordered pair is minus 1, 3. So first of all we want to take that minus 1, 3. Already we know that first one is domain, second one is codomain. So we can take right as x and f of x. Like that if you take means we want to find that what? A and b. So for this we can make the equation. So now we want to substitute in the f of x equation. That is what? In place of f of x we want to substitute 3 equal to a into x. So x in place of x we want to substitute minus 1 plus b, that is b. So now we want to multiple. So 3 equal to plus into minus minus 1 into a, 1a or written as a plus b. So this is one equation. So consider as first equation. Likewise second pair is, that is what? 0, minus 1. So here we want to substitute. This 0 is considered as x. Minus 1 is considered as f of x. Now we want to substitute. So minus 1 equal to a into 0 plus b. A into 0 means what? If you multiple with 0 means we get same 0, or numbers or alphabets, whatever, if you multiple with the 0 means we get same 0. So minus 1 equal to 0 plus b. So 0 plus means b means we get what? B alone. So b equal to minus 1. Here we find this is considered as 2, or otherwise you can write straightly. Now we want to substitute in the first equation. So substitute 2 in 1. So second equation first equation substitute pananu. In place of b we want to substitute minus 1. So here the first equation is what? 3 equal to minus a plus b. In place of b we want to substitute minus 1. So 3 equal to minus a plus b. In place of b minus 1. So take the constant as in this side. So minus 1 it will become this side, means what you get? That is plus 1. So minus a equal to 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 we get what? 4. So minus a equal to 4. So we want to write the a alone, because minus it will be go that side, means if you have means minus 1 if you have means multiple, so divide if you go. So like that we can know, or otherwise it will go that side means same minus alone, because it is in the multiplication. Minus a is in the multiplication, not in the plus or minus. So take it as it is. So a equal to minus 4. So now we want to substitute in the equation. That is what? F of x equal to ax plus b. We know the function, that is linear function. So in place of ab we want to substitute. So f of x equal to minus 4x minus 1, because plus into minus minus. So f of x answer is 4x minus 1. 10th question. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it is satisfied the superposition principle given by C of at1 plus bt2 equal to ac of t1 plus bc of t2, where a comma b are constant. Show that circuit C of t equal to 3t is linear. So here we want to given us what? Already linear circuit function, that is superposition principle is given. That is what? So here the given is C of at1 plus bt2 equal to act1 plus bct2 is given. It is linear circuit, already they given. We want to prove that what? To prove C of t equal to 3t is a linear. We want to solve this one. From this question, we can use by a down to process, that is below லேருந்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். எதுலேருந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ டு ப்ரூவ்லேருந்து நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங் கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னாலுமே இட் இஸ் அ லீனியர் ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஸோ we can take this one for the question. From you take this one as a given, we want to solve this one means this also what? Same linear. It is like equal position. இதை சால்வ் பண்ணாலுமே அதை சால்வ் பண்ணி காமிச்சிங்க அப்படின்னாவே both are equal. So here we can take, that is what? C of t equal to 3t is given, like that we have to take. We want to solve this one. To prove this one means we get the answer. So here we can take a C of t equal to 3t. Here let us assume t have a two types, that is what? C of t1, C of t2. So we get what? 3t1, 3t2. Now we want to find what? This one. So here we can take the left hand side. If you take left hand side means we can solve the right hand side means it is a linear function by using this one. So here the left hand side is what? C of at1 plus bt2. This one we want to solve. So in place of t we want to substitute this one. So here the given is what? C of t equal to 3t. So in place of t we can substitute this one. Already this one is there. So 3 of at1 plus b2. Again I have repeat here. Given உங்களுக்கு வந்து as usual இதே தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. We can prove C of t equal to 3t is linear. இப்போ நம்ம ஸ்டெப்பை அப்படியே மாற்றி எடுக்க போகிறோம். எதை ப்ரூவ்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்களோ அதை கிவன் எடுத்து டு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி காட்ட போகிறோம். அதுனா இந்த ஸ்டெப்பு வந்து உனக்கு ஈஸியாக சால்வ் ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த ப்ரொசீஜருக்காக தான் அதை எடுத்திருக்கோம். மற்றபடி வேறு எந்த இஷ்யூவும் கிடையாது. ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் இஃப் யூ டேக் திஸ் ஒன் மீன்ஸ் we can do another one step. For the one step solve we can do this one. So இங்கே t placeல இது substitute பண்ணிட்டோம். Now we can multiple. So 3 is multiple for the both directions. So 3 or 3a t1 plus 3b t2. Here we can take a is common because here we have a 3t1 as a C of t1. So a is taken outside. So if you a taken outside means remaining is 3t1 plus likewise in this side b is taken outside means 3 2 is there. So in place of 3t1 we can substitute what? C of t1. So a C of t1 plus b C of t2 because 3t2 is C of t2. So this is what? Your right hand side for the given circuit, that is superposition principle is given is what? C of at1 e plus b of t2 equal to a of c t1 plus b c t2. So both are equal. So it is a linear function. So we can solve what? C of a t1 plus b t2 equal to ACT1 plus BCT2. So here we can solve. So this is already the given is what? Linear circuit. So therefore what we can say, C of t equal to 3t is a linear circuit. Okay students, today's session is over. I given the homework also. You have to complete the homework and also CW in the same note alone. No need to write in the another note. You have to write same note and also continuously you have to complete, or otherwise if you complete your CW and then after we can write the homework also. That is your wish. Okay students, thank you.